Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle, a tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku. In today's newspaper of Wednesday, yes, it's the Wednesday, November the 22nd, 2023. It's also today War Day number 637. 637 days ago the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world, but today is also the Dutch national election day. Not so good news for today, because in this newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional, so I've decided to solve in the evening. I will solve the rest of the puzzles of the yesterday's newspaper, Tuesday, November the 21st. We have 3 puzzles there left. But first, let me start this jigsaw Sudoku number 7491. 7491. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 20 printed digits. Should be an easy one. The hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 20, so I think it's a 1-star puzzle. For 1-star puzzle I need to be faster than 50 minutes, and maybe it's a 2 stars, could be, and for 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here single box, there, here, and here. Always a 1, single box. Here a 1, there 1, here 1, and there 1. Second question, do we have here dual boxes? Yeah, I see here dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 2. Do we have more dual boxes here? Contains the 1 and the 2. No, triple boxes I see here. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or 5. Okay, next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Let me see. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. No quadra boxes here. Let me see. No. And then my next strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Well, we have here the shape number 1. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this shape, yeah, this box has the same number as that box, so this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, but upside down, so this box has the same number as that box. Okay, here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only 3 of them. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Upside down. L shape, upside down. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Yeah. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes in this puzzle? No. L shapes here. Oh, I overlooked this one. The previous shape, it's rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. Alright, the next shape. How about this shape then? Yeah, let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, we have only 1 of this kind of shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. All right. Okay. Then. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? Yeah. Another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, maximum are 6. We have here 4 of them in this puzzle. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 of them. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 2, but also that box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If you place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area, 4 numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Let me mark those. 3 and a 5. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, but also these 2 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. The other pair in this area should be in the numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. This box is connected with that box, should be so 1 and a 2. This box is also connected with that box, should be so 1 and a 2. So here we have a pair in this area, so this box can be a 3. So 3 could be here. Could be there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 here and a double 2. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. So 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. And is connected with that box should be also 4 or a 5. Okay. Then. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Then these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. Then. Let me think. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. I cannot place the 1 there. So the 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be here and is connected with that box should be also a 3. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this triple box. For the 2, these 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 1 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 1 goes there. This box can be a 2, so the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 5. Then, let me see. This box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think this box should be a 1, because if I place a 1 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. But we already have a 1 here. So not the solution, place the 1 there. The only place left the 1 should be here. And it's also connected with that box, should be also 1. 1 and a 2, we have 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Well, I don't think this box should be a 4, because if I place a 4 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4, but we already have a 4 there. So it should be a 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also 5. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 4. Okay, 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left with 1 in this area, should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Okay, 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, 3 goes there. Okay, and now, I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, yes, definitely a 5, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely a 3, and I've eliminated there the 4, so the 4 goes here. Okay, this box can be a 2, this box can be a 5, so the 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes in this W area shape as a pair, so 1 digit left in this area for number 1. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be so 1, and that box is connected with this box, should be a 2. Alright, 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 4 or a 5, we have a 5 now, so this box should be a 4, is connected with that box, should be also 4. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes surround the 5 can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a, no, these 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. This box can be a 4, that box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box can be 3. This box can be 5, so the 3 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes as a pair, so this box can be 3. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes, so the 3 should be there, and the 5 goes there. So 1 box left in this area for number 2. 3 and 1, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there, and 2 numbers left, the final 2 numbers for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow, told you, should be a 1-stop puzzle, not the 2 stars. 20 printed digits, so I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the evening with other 3 puzzles in the yesterday's additional newspaper. So have a great and fantastic Wednesday. It's an election day today, so bye bye for now, and see you later.